All right, so for this next one, what we're going to do, I've got 8 raised to the 320. Oops, that's not a very good 0. Raised to the cube root, or raised to the 1/3, which means cube root. So again, I'm going to go through this list. 2 to the 3rd power is 8. 3 to the 3rd power is 27. 4 to the 3rd power is 64. And then 5 to the 3rd power is 125. Now, that means that I can change 8 into 2 to the 3rd power. But this 320, I think 64 times 5 if I do the math on that, I think 4 times 5 is 20, put the 0 down, carry the 2. 5 times 6 is 30, 30 plus 2 is 320. So 320 then is 64 times 5. And then all of this has to be raised to the 1/3. Now, why would Mr. Adams do that? Well, because 4 to the 3rd power is the same as 64. So in my next line, I've got 2 to the 3rd power. I'm going to replace 64 with 4 to the 3rd power, and then 5 I just leave by itself. Well, let's think of that as 5 to the 1st power. So in this next line now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply every power. In other words, 2 to the 3 times 1/3, 4 to the 3 times 1/3, and then 5 times 1 times the 1/3, or raised to the 1 times the 1/3, okay? I said it wrong, but I wrote it down right. So what that does then for me, 3 times 1/3 is just 1, so this is 2 to the 1st power. This equals 1, so 4 to the 1st power is just 4. And then this 1 times 1/3 is just 1/3, so that's times 5 to the 1/3. So what's 2 times 4? 8. And what's 5 to the 1/3? The cube root of 5. So that means the same thing. This is the same as 8 times 320. Oops. Raised to the 1/3. Okay?